Welcome back, YouTubers, gunners, subscribers. We are on to another vlog. Today we are improving Lefty. Don't want to spoil anything, so let's start gunning. Squad. You're on YouTube.
You said and. That's not the proper way of saying it.
Ouch. Ouch, Spoon.
Nah.
Yeah, buddy, plug in your... This is my nephew, Waddis. Squad. Say keep gunning.
Keep gunning.
Oh, yeah.
Keep gunning, let's go. Follow my TikTok, Opt-Out69. Follow my Instagram, I am Dumbo05. Don't forget to use the underscores. Then yeah, that's it.
Peace out. So yeah, right now we just bolted up the hood and Spoon is just test fitting all this for now because we're gonna have to move it around here. So he's just doing his measurements, but wow, looks so good with the carbon. For the hood pins,
No, it's for the intake
Manifold?
manifold. This pin right here.
so you're gonna cut that section out.
Yeah, I'm trying to cut as little as possible because I want it to nice. So it's a brand new hood.
Yeah.
I don't want to go and skin the whole thing.
So Spoon's gonna take this section out right here because it's putting the manifold. Nice cut, my man.
Oops.
Oops. Hold on. Watch how painful this is, boys.
How much I enjoy it.
Yeah, you look happy.
I lost the fear of cutting this carbon a long
That's
time
it.
ago.
Hell yeah, you must have cut over like 100 carbon hoods, bro. Probably more. But we're on to the hood pins now. Hood pins diagram. Some pointers on this. What's the pointers, bro?
Start with the actual pin. Drill the hole for the pin. Get the pin through, and then look at the actual pin. Don't look at the hole, and just center your latch to it. But the biggest trick that I've always found with these, as you cut into the hood, you're gonna want to slide this down forward. 'Cause as it goes down, it goes in.
Okay.
So after you mark your hole, maybe like 1/8 of an inch, you slide it down and then mark your actual hole that you're gonna cut.
Gotcha.
In the center, work your way out.
Always center out, right?
Yeah.
Nice. He applied that tape there for protection when it bounces off. So.
Yeah, I've nicked a few
Yeah.
freshly painted cars.
I've done it. Okay, boys, we are done. Finito. Spoon did a killer job on this. Got our plate on. Take it outside, see how it looks in the sun. But killer job. Well, guys, here it is, man. Lefty. We added some few parts to it. I added diffuser, carbon fiber hood. Let me know what you guys think about it. Man, that thing looks so much better with the hood. Maybe the next winter we'll put like a carbon lip on it. But I love it, man. I really, really love it. Also, you probably seen on the last vlog with Kobe, I ended up putting on the Keep Gunning diffuser. We have these available on my website. The link is in my bio. We ran out of silver. That sold out quick. We've got black powder coated left. And it just makes the car look much more aggressive. I love it. I love it. I love it. I told my boy Spoon to go for a little ride. You really can't get much done on my street here, but at least he gets to see how the car feels. So we're out of here, guys. It's a Saturday. Got some nice weather here. My boy Spoon came up from Connecticut, held it down, man. If you don't follow him, I've been posting him on my channel for a while now. It's Spoon860, man. You ever need any fabrication done and you want some high quality work? Is he pricey? Yes, a little bit. But guess what? You will never have to redo anything that he's done again. Reach out to my boy. He's been great. He's involved in the movement. He supports gunners. Gunners support him. With that being said, we are waiting and seeing if this coronavirus is going to stop, if it's going to stop the party, bro. So, I don't know.
I ain't stopping no party.
I don't want to stop. I don't want to stop the party. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about Lefty with the carbon fiber hood. How you like it?
Nah, it made a huge difference.
Yeah, man, it looks dope. Yeah, appreciate you for being here, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Keep gunning.